Hello and welcome to the SMI shooting floor on the Mahe Bengaluru campus. I'm Niret Alva and I'm here to speak about a brand new series that we're about to shoot. It's called PG Talks at SMI. We are here to speak to faculty members who are going to talk about these fantastic postgrad courses so that you know which one to apply for and which one to choose. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to Postgrad Talks at SMI. With me today is Dr. Sanjukta Ghosh. I'll let her introduce herself and tell us what she does here and which program she heads. Sanjukta.
Thank you, Niret, for inviting for this talk. And the program which I am currently leading is MDes Design-Led Innovation Program, which is popularly known as DLI. The core ideology of the program is to impart strategic innovation and its management and implementation with a bit of entrepreneurial mindset and to take it forward.
Okay, so what are the sort of students that you look for to apply to this course and that you'd like to take on board for this two-year degree?
Yeah, so as a part of the program, as I said, that we focus a lot on innovative thinking, right? So therefore, we would like to get someone who is very creative and innovative in nature in any form. It can be technology, creativity, but as part of the program, we require 4 years of graduation, and generally we see that students coming from engineering and design, MDes program, architecture, and now with law graduates coming up. So we, as I said, anyone from engineering to law are eligible to apply for the program, but we would like them to expose to a project kind of situation where they have handled a project in their thesis, and that is what we look for.
Okay. There are two acronyms that potential students have to confront, right? There is the EOC and there is the SOP. So tell potential students what these are and how they can fill them out nicely.
Okay, so EOC is evidence of competency, and as part of this, we would like to look for the project which they have handled. Sometimes they come with a work experience where they do their own individual project. Sometimes they take their own thesis project to take forward, but something which they have really kind of worked on, and they have to showcase that, and that should be the part of EOC. And when they are coming to, when they are writing their SOP, it's important that they are very clear with the program. They should go through the website and see what is the intention of the program and how they align to the program. And to be more specific, that as part of the program, we look for strategic thinking, we look for innovation management. So we want that a bit of technology, creativity, and managerial kind of aptitude to be interested for them to take up a program like this. Yeah.
On the Mahe campus where SMI is now located, there are many other colleges, and there is management, there is law, there is liberal studies, so what is the scope for collaboration or cross-fertilization between your program and some of the programs, other programs that other colleges have here on this campus?
So as a part of Srishti as an ideology, right, we foster transdisciplinary approach for any program we take up, and we are, as part of an university system, we are trying to, for DLI, we are trying to take the advantage of it, and now we are collaborating with TAPME in the domain of finance and economics, which is core for the program, for DLI program, where they are providing their support for the Design-Led Innovation Program. We are also collaborating with MIT, their Bio-Inspired Design Optimization Center. They are very keen, means they are being collaborating with us to impart the knowledge of design optimization, which is very important for technology students. It's a very important and upcoming area which is growing up. And another important thing which is core for DLI program, which is IP, creation of intellectual property, which is one of the principal requirement for the program, that we create more and more IP through this program. Therefore, we are collaborating with the Center for IP and Technology Transfer. And these are the collaborations we are currently looking for. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the kind of avenues? That's quite a lot of stuff that you just mentioned. It's a huge thali of possibilities, so to speak. But what are the kind of avenues that open up for those students when they finish this course?
Yeah. So as I say, the program started in 2015, so we have a good number of alumni graduated from this program. So our alumni are placed in various organizations, starting from Google Research to Adobe to kind of MNCs like ServiceNow, and also product-based companies like Honeywell and even Philips. So these are the potential opportunities when we talk about MNCs. But now with the new buzz coming up, where we see that students are interested to work in Indian startup, they are really excited to work there. And as part of the program, we also foster, as I said, that it's more of a strategic thinking and innovation implementation. So when they work with startups, with smaller organization, Indian-grown startups and places like that, they kind of actually exercise a lot more creativity in terms of what they are thinking, and most importantly, their leadership capability, which the program tries to build on.
Okay. One last question. What do you do with AI and about AI? Because this is something everybody is asking. Is it this invisible guest at the table, or is it somebody you say, welcome and come in and we're going to work with you? How do you deal with that?
We deeply welcome AI, because AI is the new world, and we want to take the advantage. As I said, as part of the program, we work with cutting edge technology, and AI falls under that. We work in the domain of generative AI and machine learning. Data science is something which is very important for the program, as part of me coming from that expertise of marketing, where we work a lot of cutting edge tools and techniques, especially in the domain of AI and technology, to understand user behavior, and we work with AI. AI is something which is very important for us as a cutting edge technology.
Okay, I'm going to put you on the spot here. This camera, you're speaking to potential students. What would you say to them?
So what I would like to say, that as we are moving to a new kind of global scenario, where we have to tackle complexity and wicked problems in a different way, and we don't actually compartmentalize discipline in that way. Therefore, it becomes important to go for a transdisciplinary program which allows you to navigate complexity and address wicked problem which can create social impact. Thank you.
Sanjukta, Ghosh, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.